Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Mathematics Past Question 6. If 27 raised power of x plus 2 divided by 9 raised power of x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised power of 2x, find x. A 3, B 4, C 5 and D 6. Now, we are given 27 raised power of x plus 2 divided by 9 raised power of x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised power of 2x. Now we're asked to find what? We're asked to find x. Now this is a question under indices, and like we know, we can simply break this down. 27 is equals to 3 raised to the power of 3, and 9 is equals to 3 raised to the power of 2. So we can simply say 3 raised to the power of 3 into x plus 2 divided by 3 raised to the power of 2 into x plus 1 is equals to 3 raised to the power of 2x. Now, since there's division here and since the parent's number is the same, we can simply say this is equals to what? 3 raised to the power of 3 into x plus 2 minus 2 into x plus 1 equals to 3 raised to the power of 2x. Now, we cannot cancel the parent's atom, which is 3. So we'll be having 3 into x plus 2 minus 2 into x plus 1 is equals to 2x. So opening a bracket, we have 3x plus 6 minus 2x minus 2 is equals to minus 2x. So collecting like terms, we'll be having 3x minus 2x minus 2x is equals to minus 6 plus 2. Now we'll be having what? 3x minus 2x will give us x. X minus 2x will give us minus x is equals to minus 6 plus 2 will give us minus 4. Now minus x is equals to minus 4, so we divide both sides by minus 1. So we can say x is equals to what? 4, which is option B. X is equals to 4. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.